So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can disable the animations of Telegram web application website which you are using via any browser in your PC. As you know, if you have a limited resources PC, if it has a limited configuration, the unwanted animations in Telegram makes the experience more interrupted, as it may lag sometimes always. So all you have to do in order to disable the animations, just simply open the web Telegram via opening any browser that you are using, or opening the Telegram web. Once you enter the Telegram web, all you have to do is to just click on the three lines at the top left corner. You can see it's just right there in the window where it says open menu. When you click there, you will see an option of animations. You can see it just right there. Just simply turn this option off. Once you do that, you will see all the unwanted animation of this Telegram web has been now removed. Now you will able to use this Telegram web as more conveniently if you have a lower configuration PC, as unwanted animations has been now removed from this website. I hope this video will be interesting and helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.